Look here. Um, the angles of depression. See, you should aware of this term properly. Okay, of the top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building. See, 8-meter tall building from the top of multi-story building are 30-degree and 45-degree. What does it mean? There is one multi-story big building and one more is 8-meter tall building. This is a 8-meter tall building. Okay. So what they are saying, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of 8-meter building. So this, okay, from the top of multi-story building from here is 30-degree and 45-degree. Okay. So now angle of depression in the sense you have to take like this. One is this and one more is bottom of the building like this. So the more, this will be 45-degree and this will be 30-degree, correct? So let's take like this. Okay. Now here you have to apply a alternate angle or Z angle theory. Okay. So ಈ 30-degree ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So same opposite side like here this will be 30-degree. Okay. So this is 45-degree, right? So this will be 45-degree. Okay. And now what you have to do, find the height of the multi-story building. You have to find this. See, this is however 8-meter only, right? But you don't know this. So if you add this two, then you will get height of the multi-story building. And also they have asked the distance between two buildings. This one. For example, I'll take this as AB and this as X. Now what you can do, now apply tan 30 or tan 45. I think at first I'll take tan 45. Okay. Tan 45-degree. So what happens now? Opposite side is 8 plus X divided by AB, correct? AB you don't know, right? Same AB will be here, correct? Same AB value will be here. Okay. So next is tan 30-degree is equal to X divided by AB, correct? So what happens here? So that you will get AB is equal to 8 plus X. Because tan 45 is 1, so that's the answer. So AB will be in this is equation number 1. And here AB is equal to X by tan 30, that is 1 by root 3, or it is X root 3. Correct? This is second equation. So now you have two equations where on both sides we have root 3, correct? Sorry, AB on your left hand side. So you can equate and you get 8 plus X is equal to X root 3. Correct? Now solve this. What you will get? What you can do is you can bring this X to the other side and or yeah, X root 3 minus X is equal to 8. So X is common. So root 3 minus 1 is equal to 8. So X is equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. Correct? No? Yeah. So hope you have understood till here. So this you have understood, right? Now how to solve this X? Because we need to find here, correct? AB, you have to find this. So what you can do is you can multiplied by and divided by conjugate. So it will get 8 into root 3 plus 1 divided by a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, right? A square minus b square. This is a minus b and this is a plus b. So you get a square is 3 minus 1. So it is 2. So the answer is 2. So 2 ones are 4s are. So it is 4 root 3 plus 1. Okay. So this is the x value that you have got. Okay. Okay. So this is x value. Now what is the value of AB? Okay. Now you have to substitute in AB. Okay. So you know x is 4 root 3 plus 1. 4 root 3 plus 1. Okay. Into root 3. So it will be the answer. So 4 root 3 plus 4 into root 3, or you can multiply this root 3 here. So that root 3 into root 3, how much? So it is 12. I mean, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 into 4, 12 plus 4 root 3. So now which is common? This 4 is common. So you can, root 3 you can take outside because you have this root 4 into 3, right? This is 4 into 3. So this root 3 into root 3. So you can remove root 3 outside. So what you will get? You will get 4 root 3, 1 plus root 3. So this is a, just give me a minute, I'll check whether it's correct or not. Yeah, it's correct. See, I will explain again. This might you might feel it's a bit difficult. See, initially what we have done, hopefully, sorry. Just give me a second. Okay. See, initially we have drawn this. So what you have to find, you have to find the height of the building, correct? You have to find this. So in order to find this, you have to follow these steps. First, let's take tan 45. Okay. So tan 45, where we have done, take this here, opposite side by adjacent side. So 8 plus x by AB. Similarly, we are taking tan 30. So x opposite side divided by AB. So that AB is equal to 8 plus x. So this is a one equation. Similarly, from here you will get AB is equal to x, x root 3. So this is the second equation. Okay. Now, what we are doing is we have AB on your left hand side. See, here you have AB, here also you have AB. So now you can equate. So 8 plus x is equal to x root 3. Okay. Next, what you can do is you can take this x to the other side. So that x root 3 minus x is equal to 8. So you are removing x outside, so that you will get x into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 8, or you will get x is equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. See, root 3 minus 1 is on the denominator, right? So what you can do is you can just multiply by conjugate that we have done in the last part, correct? So root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So on solving this denominator, we have root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1. That is a minus b into a plus b. So you can write it as a square minus b square. So root 3 square is nothing but 3 and minus 1. So it is 2. So 8 root 3 plus 1 by 2, so that you will get 4 root 3 plus 1. So this is in case of x. So this one. Okay, great. Next, AB. This is the distance between two. Okay, so how to do it? We can just substitute it here in x. Okay, so you have got the value of x as 4 root 3 plus 1, correct? So 4 root 3 plus 1 into root 3. Now carefully do one thing. You can either you can multiply this root 3 inside. See, if you feel this is a difficult, what you can do is you can multiply this root 3 inside. 4 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3. You can complete here. So this is a distance between the two buildings. Now we have found out x, right? But they have asked total height of the building, correct? We have only 8. We know 8 plus. So this plus x, that will give the whole building height, correct? So that 8 plus x will give the total height. So 8 plus x, so what we have got? So we have got 4 root 3 plus 1, correct? Now here, so in both the cases, 4 is common, correct? So you can remove 4 outside, and what you will get? So here you will get 2 plus root 3 plus 1, so that you will get 4 into 3 plus root 3. So this is a total height of the building. Total height of the building from here to here. X is only this. This is a whole thing. So this problem is bit, you might feel this is very difficult, but if you closely observe, okay, this is there in the textbook. Okay, you can see later. ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫಾಲೋ ದೀಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ then it is very easy. Okay, you can do it, you can try it. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. See, from a point on a bridge, for example, there is a bridge like this, okay, and we have a river here. This is a river, okay. So a point on a bridge across river, the angle of depression, okay, on the banks of the opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree. It will be like this. So this is you can take as 45 degree, and this is 30 degree. So when it comes to z angle, so this becomes 30 degree and this becomes 45 degree. Okay, if the bridge is at height of 3 meter, so this is a height 3 meter, the banks, find the width of the river. You have to find width of the river from here to here, width. Tell me how you can find. How you can find it? What you can use? See, we have tan 45 here, 30 here. First, what you can do? You can use tan 45 degree. So opposite side is 3 meter, and this is, let it be A, B, C. Okay. So it is BC. So that BC is equal to 3 meter, correct? Because tan 45 is 1. Next, you can take tan 30, correct? Tan 30 is equal to opposite side 3 divided by AB. So what is the AB is equal to 3 root 3, correct? Because tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 3 by 1 by root 3 is 3 root 3. So it is 3 root 3 meter. But we have got two sides. From here to here 1, from here to here 1. So you have to add both, correct? So because you need to find AC. AC is equal to AB plus BC. So what is the answer? So it will be 3 root 3 plus, so it is BC, it is 3. So you can remove 3 outside, so that you will get 3 plus 1 meter. So this is the answer. Did you understand? Okay, perfect. Smriti, okay, okay, great. Let's move on to the problems that in this. So here ends the all exercise chapters. Okay. I mean exercise part. Sorry, I mean example part. Exercise you can do it here. Okay, I forgot to send the textbook at the time. Okay. Yeah. Uh, let's solve one by one so that that will be easy. We have done fourth one, right? Okay, fifth one. Fifth one. So what you can do, a kite is flying at a height of 60-meter above, okay, in the ground. The string is attached to the kite temporarily tied to a point in the ground. The inclination of the string is with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. How to do it? Very good, Prajwal. Very good, Samantha. How to do it? Because kite is flying at the height of 60-meter, right? And kite string will be generally like this, correct? And this will be this like this, and this is 60 degree, and this is 60-meter. Okay, you have to find this so that sine 60 is equal to opposite side is 60 divided by hypotenuse. So if you take hypotenuse is equal to 60 divided by sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, I guess. Okay, so that you will get 120 divided by root 3, or you can write it as 40 into 3, correct? 43 is a 120 divided by root 3. So 1 root 3, 1 root 3 get cancelled, so that you will get 40 root 3 as the answer. Okay, correct. Great. Understood? Okay. Let's solve the sixth one. A 1.5-meter tall boy. Sorry. Um, 1.5-meter tall boy standing at some distance, 30 meter tall building. Sorry. Okay, some distance. So there. Okay. So there is a 30 meter. I'll draw separately. Okay, there is a boy, and there is a building of 30-meter height. Okay. Angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. Okay, like this. Okay. Increases from 30 degree to 60 degree, like this, as he walks towards the building. Okay, this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. See, I will take, okay, no problem, it's okay. This is 1.5 meter, okay, 1.5 meter tall, okay. He walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. That means you have to find this distance. See, I will redraw the figure properly. Okay, so this is a building. Sorry, this is a boy who's standing with 1.5 meter height. Okay, and you have one building here like this. Okay, and boy initially he had seen with the angle 30 degree, and he moved further. So this has been Just give me a second. 30 meter, right? Yeah. So this is 30 meter. Okay. See, initially ಅವನು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 degree ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. As he move towards, angle increases ಅಲ್ವಾ? So it has been increased to 60 degree. Now you have to find this. Okay. Yeah. Now you can use tan 30. Okay, and 60 degree. Okay, but remember, while taking here, what you have to take the value? What is the value that you have to take? Opposite side the value ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? What's the value that you have to take? 30 or any other value? Very good, Pavan Kumar. So it should be 28.5 meter, because you have to minus with boy's height, correct? From here you have to take, alva? So 30 minus 1.5, so it will be 28.5. Okay, so tan 60 is equal to 28.5 meter divided by, so you can name it as A into A, B, C. Okay. Just give me a minute. Yep. Okay, now say 28.5. So this one you can AB, this you can write as AB, and this you can write as BC. Okay. Now how you will solve? First, sorry, I'm so sorry. So look here, tan 30, correct? So this should be AB plus BC, correct? So this should be AB plus BC. Yake heli? Because tan 30 is a whole value, right? So this should be divided by BC. Okay. So tan 60, what is the value of tan 60? It is root 3, correct? So 28.5 BC is equal to 28.5 by root 3. So this is a one answer. This is the value of this. Okay. Now you have to find this AC. Okay, this whole value you can write it as AC, correct? AC. So how much you will get with AC? AC is tan 28.5 root 3, correct? Because tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So you have got AC and BC. Now what you should get? You should get the value of AB, right? So AB plus BC is nothing but AC, correct? AB plus BC is equal to AC. Now you have to find AB, correct? So AB can be written as AC minus BC. So what is the value of AC? So AC value is 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. So that you will get answer as 28.5 into 1 minus 1 by root 3. So here you have root 3. Okay. Or on solving, 28.5 is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 by root 3. Or 28 2s are 40 sorry, 56, 57 by root 3 is the answer. Okay. So this is how you can find. See, initially you are finding tan 30. Tan 30 and the bandre, it is AC whole value. Okay. But AC is equal to AB plus BC. Similarly, you are taking tan 60 here. Tan 60. Okay. So BC by 28.5 by root 3. Okay. You just substitute and then you'll get BC and AC. So then you know this. So from that, by solving, you will get this answer. Okay. Fine. Let's move on to the next problem. I think you can solve it by your own today. Let's see if it's not possible for you, then I will help you out. We have only 4 problems now, 5 problems. 16, 15, 14. This till here we have done, right? So try to solve. I will be sending the textbook now in few moments. Maybe you can try. So if you didn't get, you have to ping me at which part that you don't know, so that I will help you out with that particular case. Okay.